you know, you're owner of a studio. You have so many people, so many different walks of life coming in, coming out, you know, with different intentions, different goals, you know, maybe not good intentions, maybe great intentions. Like, so how do you manage all those people that are coming in? Like, how do you manage all those people?
Yeah,
it's simple. It's very simple. When my door opens and somebody walks through my door, they're there for information. They're there to seek help. They're there looking for a community, looking for something to fill the void that I once had. So it's very easy to look to someone walking through my dance studio and look at myself and say, wow, I remember when I walked through the dance studio, I was empty. I was looking for a community. I was looking for friends. I was looking for a place to belong. So when somebody walks through my door, what do I want them to see? That they see Crown Dance Studio as a community that they feel comfortable in. This is their home. You know, this is your home away from home. When you walk in these doors, you're not a stranger.
Right.
You know, you're a family, you're a member of the community that we build in. And for me to be able to fulfill that is to not see them as flawed, rather as good human beings who comes to unite the community together. Right. Because without those people walking through that door, there is no Crown Dance Studio.
Right, right.
You know? Big. And if I judge you the moment you walk through the door, guess what?
Right.
You're not coming back.
Yeah.
It's just not won't come back, you know. So it's very simple to do that because I'm not looking to your flaw. I'm looking to the good in you, and looking only for that, and showing you hopefully the goodness that is in me. That's the intention that I have for you to succeed once you walk.